Hello and welcome to Miss Crafts Lot's Lair. I am Barbie. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and I am here today to show you how to make this super cute card using Celebration items here from 2018. The stamp set that I'm using today is the Celebration Set Amazing You. This is available for free if you place a $50 order. And it is super cute. And as you can tell, we have these little pop bottles, and the DSP is actually part of the Bubbles and Pop DSP set, designer series paper that is. DSP in the Celebration catalog as well. This is another $50 item. So if you were to get $100 worth of other products, you can get the stamp set and the DSP for free. How awesome is that? I love Celebration. That being said, I wanted to show you what we needed today. And today we are going to be using Lemon Lime Twist for a card base. This is 8.5 by 5.5. And that is our card base, Lemon Lime Twist. Our first layer is Bermuda Bay, and this is cut at 4 inches by 5 1/4 inches. And then in true form for my layering, this particular piece is the DSP. On the other side, it's the kind of squiggles that if it were in chocolate chip, it would probably remind me of a cupcake. But this is just the one with the pop bottles diagonally, and this is actually cut at 3 1/4 inches by 5 inches, so then that way it'll just layer right there nice and neat on top of that. So, and then the other parts that I am using are the two soda bottles that are on another piece of DSP, and this is kind of mangled because I've been fussy cutting from it, but this is one of the Bubbles and Fizz paper as well. And these are all like, I didn't mention this, but they are all 12 by 12 inches. And this is a pretty good size bottle here on this particular DSP. So I figured, you know what, I'm going to fussy cut these out and put them to use. So in the magic of television, or not, I have these two particular pop bottles cut out nice and neat. We're also going to need a scrap piece of paper, and this particular pink was not labeled on the DSP color sheet, so I kind of was playing around to figure out what kind of pink it is, and I settled on the, I'll get those inks out real fast here, powder pink. So powder pink, and we'll need the Bermuda Bay ink pad, and all of my inks were out. Is it hiding? Yep. And the Lemon Lime Twist. It was kind of hiding on me. So I am going to go ahead and get started stamping here real fast. So I'm using the powder pink is going to be for the Let's sentiment for the for this stamp set. And I'm going to be fussy cutting them out. You don't have to get so fussy with cutting them out. I just think I personally like getting a little closer. I've seen other people who have made it into squares or rectangles with the words for this. And it's up to you. It's your creation, right? And I'm going to go ahead and open up the Lemon Lime Twist for the Celebrate. I'm so used to saying Celebration that it's coming out, all of my Celebrates are coming out Celebrate. But that's alright, right? It's a sign of I love what I'm doing. Close up my ink here, and then I'm going to go over to a Paper Pumpkin Stampin' Spot for the Bermuda Bay, because it's a smaller stamp set, and I still have yet to get the big stamp pad for Bermuda Bay. It's on my list. I will be getting it shortly. But this is also the reason why I like Paper Pumpkin, is because you get to stock up on all these other stamps, the colors that you wouldn't normally gravitate to right away. So you have them. And I will do another quick plug for Paper Pumpkin. It's the 5th anniversary of Paper Pumpkin. So there's going to be an extra gift for all those who subscribed to March's Paper Pumpkin, and that is going to be, you have to have that subscribed for and paid for, subscribed to it by March 10th. So just to throw that plug out there for you. So now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to fussy cut around the Let's, the Celebrate, and the U, and I will be right back because I'm pretty sure you don't want to watch me fussy cut. Alright, and they have been fussied and they have been cut, and now it's time to assemble this card. So I'm going to move this out of the way, as well as these, and I'm going to start off here by layering together my layers. So I'm going to start off, snail is open this time. So, like I say, snail always works better if it's open. And my poor light is getting louder. So hopefully that's not a sign that it is about to give out on me. But if we lose some of my light, that's why. I have to... I think for my birthday I'm going to be getting a new light. And put that down there. There we go. And then I kind of want, I like the kind of look of these kind of being offset. So I'm going to go ahead and use my tape runner, more snail, and kind of tuck this back there. And snail the Bermuda Bay one up. Like I said, I'm not exactly sure if this is powder pink or not, but I think the powder pink looks best with it. So I could be right, I could be wrong. I didn't call anyone to ask, so... Alright, and then finally, I like the idea of putting these up on dimensionals. So, the Celebrate, not Celebrate, Celebrate can just go up on regular. And I do use a lot of dimensionals, and I use a lot of snail, and that's just the way I am. I don't think I'm ever going to change. I don't like it when it looks crumpled, so I try not to leave it in places where it can crumple. So I'm going to put that kind of diagonally on there. And the U definitely needs to have a partial one. So I'm running out of little strips. So I'm going to go ahead and just cut a dimensional in half, because, well, I can do that. Yes, poor little light. It's getting pretty loud. And then the Let's can get a half a dimensional on the, what is it, the top part of the V, or the bottom part of the L here. And I think I can fit a full dimensional here. Like I said, I over dimensional, over snail, oh well. And then I'm going to put the Let's up and over, right up there. And there we are, a finished card. I hope you liked this, and if you did, please like, share, and subscribe. You'll want to subscribe to keep up to date with all of the new Celebration stuff I'm going to be coming out with. Different projects to do with the Celebration items. I'm also going to be, the Occasions catalog is also still out. All of the Celebration ends March 31st, so if you're seeing anything with the Celebration that I'm showing that you like, you're going to want to get that ordered. We're about 2/3 of the way through Celebration, so we're rapidly getting to that point where things are going to start selling out, and once they're out, they're most likely not going to be getting any more in, so you definitely want to catch this stuff while you can. Occasions catalog is going to be continued on, as well as the annual catalog, until the end of May. So May, that's when that stuff the stuff that's going to be retired is going to start getting kind of scarce. So now is a good time to stock up on stuff that you like. The in colors such as Dapper Denim are going to be retired. So you're going to want to grab those before they're out if you like those particular colors. So, and I'm saying so a lot, so sorry. So you're definitely going to want to grab any of the colors that are retiring. I am going, as soon as I get the retirement list, I will let you guys know as to what is retiring. But that's not going to be for another few months here. So, but now is the perfect time to stock up on the stuff that you love. Make sure that you have those in stock. Plus, you're also earning free Celebration items as well. So it's a win-win. So I'm going to go ahead and end this video because you probably are getting tired of me talking. So until next time.